Hello, good morning, everybody. Let me pull up your chat. Right. The top stock looks like ANY, A-N-Y. There's also some Wall Street bets movement on MVST, although the volume may not be heavy enough. We'll see. But MVST might be one of these Wall Street bets type of plays. If it breaks 13.01, we'll be all over it. Good Friday morning. Yep, BTBT over here in the corner. Let me get some labels on some of these to get you guys started. KXIN, SWCH, ANY, MVST, DY, DYSI, FLGC, NVAX, because we're monitoring our lotto puts, SAVA, and ACY. And as always, we keep an eye on Apple, Tesla, and Amazon. And I'm still going through them right now. There may be a few more here. So let me continue to look at those and refresh Market Chameleon, in fact. All right, ANY, KXIN, MVST. All right, down at 16.6% gain with 500,000 in volume is WPRT. Let's take a look at it. A lot of people asking about DraftKings this morning. Let me see. What's happening with DraftKings? Oh, they're way, way up. That was their earnings report? Okay. All right, we better be on DraftKings also. Yep, it's just been plowing up every dollar level all morning. Right now it's looking to break 55. Let's see what happens during the market hours. That's going to be a fun one. Seeing my screen here. There we go. The market is reacting to the jobs reports this morning, which were not favorable. I haven't seen the full news on that, but just looking how the market reacted, I'm presuming that they weren't favorable. Maybe they were. Industrials are going up. I'd have to take a look. Rates went up 0.10%. That's a lot for rates in one day. That's inflation. So I don't know. Maybe the jobs numbers were good. I have to take a look at that. Either way, tech being hit the hardest this morning, and it looks like financials soaring. So people with money, cash, banks, lenders, looking the best. Yeah, it looks like unemployment claims went down, somebody said. Job numbers beat expectations. Okay, so that's the reason that some of the market is tanking is inflation. So inflation is there. It looks like inflation will happen based on those numbers. And so that's why banks are having a field day this morning. Bank of America is up. Wells Fargo is about to break all-time highs. That might be the play. Wells Fargo on that one. All right, so we've got DraftKings up. All right. And there was a bit of a pivot failure just now from DraftKings pre-market. We'll see if that holds up. No twisted arrow. That definitely not. That's not how options work with the lotto call. But no, there's not a trade there. Okay, let's see. Goldman Sachs. But we had another lotto call the other day, which failed. So if it makes you feel any better that you missed it, sometimes they'll fail too. Now I got the 180 puts on Novavax, but I also in another account I got the 200. So I got less contracts of the 200 comparatively than the 180. And so we can do a par on par comparison of which is better to get in these situations. All right, but continuing forward here, NBRV, but there's WPRT looks all right. DraftKings, let's keep those up. Okay, let me label those up. WPRT. DraftKings. Get a little OCD for a second here and move some of these around. Oh, of course the computer's acting freezy there. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. That's fine. You have to have a limit to your OCD, otherwise you really have OCD. No, I don't know about no. Hood's got to break 69. Can you guys let me know if it does? I mean, not 69, 66. Let me know if Hood ever gets to 66. Otherwise, we're not trading it this morning. All right, refreshing the market chameleon. Kicks in MVST, WPRT, best. Oops, I got this screen all advertisement sitting there. Okay. All right, number one pole position, probably ANY, A-N-Y. It's got the most volume. So that's number one. If anybody shows up late, you guys, if anybody shows up late and it's like 8:30 and they're like, what did I miss? What's the top 3 stocks? Don't tell them. Fuck them. Because seriously, if they're not going to be on the ball in life, they don't deserve it. Don't fucking tell them anything. Yeah, no. Yeah. No, maybe. It depends on if you want to make them feel bad or not. But just don't say anything. Ignore those motherfuckers. We're here to make you money, but we're not here to be your goddamn babysitter. Jesus Christ. Yeah, squiggly wiggly. Nobody say jack shit. The early bird catches the worm in this field. And that's what you can say. You can say early bird, whatever you want to say, some version of that. Somewhere, anything between the early bird catches the worm and you're late, motherfucker. Okay, how about somebody ask about AMC to really trigger me? Yeah, that'd be great. But anyway, AMC did have an update yesterday, so continues to trend downwards. They're just playing with everyone. Hitting everyone's mercy point. Why not? We have a lot of things going on. No, but I'm not talking about you guys over on TikTok. I'm talking about our members over in our trading group. Because we can't do that over and over. Like the closer we get to the opening bell, the more disorganized people will be asking for us to repeat ourselves, and it's just going to get to a point of ridiculousness. And so there's got to be a point where you cut it off. And those people just have to learn two things. One, how to get the information they need to get right then and there somehow, other than relying on a babysitter in their life, or to come earlier next time. A little bit. Is it a little bit robot-y, somebody said? Is my voice a little bit funny? Hello. Is it clean or robot-y? Yeah, MVST. We got that up there. That looks good. It was for a second. Weird. Okay. I'm what do you call it? Max headroom. This morning we have on our plate any and maybe none of you guys know who the hell I'm talking about. Yeah, Max headroom. Tim's like, I don't know what that is. Well, go look it up. Max headroom. Tesla trending upward. What the F are you talking about, Sean? Tesla is going down. It was at 717 at the top of pre-market. Now it's at 710 and it's trending down. Sean, over at Tesla, make sure you have your pre-market charts turned on. All right, you guys over on TikTok, remember to click the link in my bio to come join our trading group. Be live trading the markets in 15 minutes. ESOD, 13% gains. Ah, that's a merger. You can see that right away. He must have his monitor upside down. Yeah, that's possible. Hey, Evan, what are the top 3 picks this morning? Is that for real? Kelly's been here all along, hasn't he? We were just talking about people like you, Kelly. Troy said it good. AMC Clove and Wish, yeah. And GMC and GME and AMC. I was here. All right. Looking for abuse. But this is, what did he say? If for abuse you need 2C down the hall. Oh, okay, sorry. Hey, thanks. Yes, I'm here for an argument. No, you aren't. Yes, I am. No, you're not. I most certainly am. No, you're not. Okay, is this going to be the 5-minute or the 20-minute argument? Could you please have a seat? Oh, yes, sir. Should you buy shares on Microsoft? Are you asking for like just today or like a day trade? No. Microsoft is awesome, and highly recommend it for forever hold portfolio. Forever, it's a good forever stock. No, Jasmine. I don't know. I think we're all good. Do you do Weber swing entry because it broke above the IPO? Yes. Depends how much of a range it put in. So yeah, I wasn't watching that. Weber, like the grilling company? What is this? Consumer durables appliances. Got to be the grilling company. Ah, yes. Huh, how about that? Weber going public. Never thought I'd see the day, you know? Who's the number one grill maker, would you say, in your opinion? The number one grill makes the best. But he says Weber. Well, awesome. So then why did they go public? What do they need? Wolf. Check out Wolf. So yeah, we'll be possibly trading Weber day 2. Thank you very much, John, for bringing that to our attention. Absolutely. The time to get in would have been when it broke yesterday's high, John. That was in pre-market. So I know Troy and John and a couple of you guys wake up real early and try and trade some pre-market. That's the point in which you would have wanted to have gotten in that day 2 IPO breakout. I mean, it's all-time high, you know? I mean, it's breaking all-time high. That's what it really is. Because like on day 3 or if it takes like 7 days to get there, that's what you're really looking for. It's not the previous day's high. It's the all-time high. Once the IPO breaks its all-time high, you can give it a shot, you know? In pre-market, you can enter. Why won't this change? Dylan, what happened to you? CIA got you pushing too many pencils? I woke up. Why can't you? Billy, over here, over here, over here, over here. Really? Hood is really running? Okay, we're going to keep Hood up then. All right. Oh, yeah. Hood is putting in a lot of energy. But yeah, it's got to break 66 in order for us to put it in anything we're going to be doing today. Too much. What? PCTY. I'm not doing anything there. Right? We got to have like a thing which auto bans people who use exclamation points. Exclamation points. Hey guys, over on TikTok. Good morning to you. You need to click the link in my bio, man, and come join our trading community. This morning, we're going to be turning off the TikTok in 10 minutes when the market opens, but we'll be continuing trading in our day trading community live stream. So you got to go over to my bio in my profile, the link in there, and click that in order to come join. We're yelling. At 53.60, but Jasmine, right now it's 57.73. Don't forget about pre-market. Don't forget to turn on extended hours trading and pre-market on your charting software. 360 is ancient history now. All right, I got any up. I also want to get up MVST. And which will it be? I think we really got to monitor DraftKings for a 5-minute dip buy play, possibly. Or if it ends up being a breakout, that's fine too. I got that up. And possibly BTBT. So it has a history now of not going that Wild. Goes a little bit. What do I need to do? Think or swim part-time or get a different job? Billy, send me a private message on TikTok and tell me a little bit longer explanation of your situation, and I will get back to you later today. Have I looked at you? No, but I've looked at any. Is me a stock? Yes, me is a stock. ME, 23andMe is a stock. So there's you, there's me. Is there us? Yes, there's us. Is there them? No, there's no them, but that's my IPO. I'm going to be them. Yeah, there's definitely SCAC. All right, so SPY's back to the center here of the trading average, but the industrials are moving up, financials moving up. It may be worthwhile to play XLF today. Might want to get options on XLF and just see how they run. So they seem to have equalized pretty well and they've leveled out is a good word for it. Yes, Alex, I go live every morning in our trading community. In about 7 minutes, the market's going to open and this TikTok will be done. But we continue to live trade the stock market. It's morning session in my trading group. You just got to click the link in my bio. Come on over. Yeah, we have BYSI up. We've got DraftKings up. Top stock, hard to say, but the one that everyone's on this morning is ANY, ANY. That doesn't mean it's going to do something, though. It might not trigger. We'll see. Stash. I know Stash. I have Stash. I have accounts everywhere. Yeah, super delayed. So at the very minimum, what's your name? Quasi, bruh. Send me a private message and I'll get you a link to another platform that's going to be good. And A Riggs says I'm cute. Yeah, I doubt that, but thank you. That's either bullshit or you just love nerds. Some girls love nerds. That's how I got that's how I lost my virginity, as a matter of fact. That's how nerds lose their virginity. Girls that love nerds. We have no other choice. What time do you begin with the trade group to research trades? 30 minutes before the opening bell, Chowder. Nerds gone wild. That's really funny. I'm picturing like all these nerdy guys with hot chicks out in Lake Havasu bouncing around. It's hilarious. It is kind of funny. I was thinking about that movie just the other day, Revenge of the Nerds. You guys ever seen that? It was because on the radio was Burning Down the House from Talking Heads, and they used that song in that movie. It's pretty funny. I was thinking, oh man, I got to go back and see that movie. Been forever. I think I must have been freaking like 12 years old when that came out. Pocket pencils, the whole thing. Nerds rule the world now. Jesus. Bill Gates is their leader. Well, thank you. So, Weber is doing outstanding this morning. Did anybody grab some? The breakout was at 723. Okay, good, Vanessa. Way to go. Okay, good, John. Like it. Yeah, because Weber is taking off. Another 30 cents there. Is that 15% of gain? Let me see here. No, 3% of gain. But in total, 1888 divided by 17, 11% gain. What do I use for pre-market trading? Yeah, Jasmine. Now we know we're on that subject. We can all share our stories. Oh boy. Vanessa, very nice. So you got in early. I'm not even going to repeat that. That's hilarious, Adam. I remember that. Oh God. There's been like so many movies that have pushed that along since then for each next generation. DraftKings, should you sell? I mean, I don't know your situation exactly, so I don't know. No, I think we're going to look to get into DraftKings today, this morning. All right, we got 2 minutes and 50 seconds to the open. You guys over on TikTok, I'll see you later. In about 2 minutes, we're shutting down the TikTok, but we will be continuing to trade live in my trading group. If you want to join us live day trading every day, it's free to join at first. And so you just got to click the link in my bio to come into the room and join us. We are still in the CMCSA swing. Yeah, we'll take a look at swings in a little bit here. What do you have, person who asked about pre-market trading? Nick Reyes, what platform are you on now, currently? Entry on DraftKings would be if it breaks 55.01. All right, here we go. 1 minute, 58 seconds to the open. So Garage, when you get in there, start up with the free trial. There's a channel in there called Start Free Trial. I'll post it in the public chat right now. There you go. Okay. And then check your email right after that. NWBO, cancer cure by vaccine. NWBO, interesting. All right, we've got 52 seconds to the open. At the top of our lists are ANY, A-N-Y, MVST, and BTBT. Is that what I have up? Yep. Yeah, that's what I have up. And then DraftKings for a dip buy play into the momentum direction. So I'm really interested in that one. DraftKings could really hit 60 today, and if we can grab it down at like 52 with some options, that could be really good. All right, here we go. 16 seconds to the opening bell. There goes BTBT. If it breaks 1650, that'll be our entrance. I'll have to get you a risk on that. Just a moment. And now ANY is also making its way up. We're looking for a breakout of 615 on ANY. Ooh, DraftKings is falling further. This is excellent to buy into this one. All right, BTBT getting close to 1650 at the currently $1 of risk on BTBT. $1 of risk on BTBT. If ANY breaks 615, that'll be in a little bit here. Then we'll be getting into that. XLF, grab it. Grab some options on XLF just to have some XLF today. And let's see where it goes. You were talking about 20 cents of risk on XLF. Yeah, gold has really fallen. Yep, that is true. 1771. BTBT making its moves. It'll be $1 of risk on entry. That was XLF, if anybody got it. That's going to be like an all-day runner kind of situation, and it's already up. Zooming up. Everybody's piling into banks. All right, Vanessa, good job. Correct. That's why I'm not getting to hood until it breaks 66. 67, I think it is. Not interested. Any not triggering. It looks like it may not have the energy to run today. The reason why we wait for these confirmation points is precisely because of that. Did BTBT break? Did I miss that? You guys get into BTBT? All right. Hopefully you guys got BTBT for $1 of risk when it broke 16.51 was the point to get in. You still can get in. It's pulling back right now, so you still have a possibility for entry on BTBT. My eyes deceive me. Yes. Is any a minor? Okay. All right. DraftKings settling in now. It dip off the open would be nice a little bit more. Otherwise, we're gonna have to wait for it to break pre-market high at 55. That's just the safest entry. So over on BTBT, you can see now why $1 of risk was pertinent. Our stop being 15.50.